Today I am going to teach you whatever be the size. If you know this smaller technique, then you can take the cube root of any perfect cube number in within a seconds only. Okay, let's see how the process is taking place and how I calculate the cube roots of number in a very faster and a very quicker way. Okay, if I took a number 884736, 884736. Okay, this is the number and I have to calculate the cube root of this number. Now, what is the process? I have to see the unit place of the given number. Here the unit place is 6. Now, I have to match the number whose unit place comes 6 after taking the cube. Here, let's see. This is 216. This is the only number which I wrote from 1 cube से लेकर के from 9 cube तक. तो इसमें मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ 6 का cube दिख रहा है which comes 6 at the unit place. So I have taken the 6 as the unit place of our required answer. Now when I take this number, then our next step is that I have to exclude this number. Okay, now what is the left? Here 884 is only left here. Now 884 से just छोटा number हमारे table में कौन सा है? Now here is 729. This is the only number just smaller than 884. So I take 9. It is the number whose cube is this. If you want to check, then you can calculate by using calculator. Let's see, friend, another example. The another number is that 474552. Yeah, I have to find the cube root of this number. Now my method is same. I have to consider the unit place. Here the unit place is 2. Now match the number from our table whose cube gives the unit place 2. Now I am seeing that 8 का cube जो है वो मुझे दे रहा है 512. It means 2 is at the unit place. Now I take 8 as my unit place of my answer value. When I took this number by assuming or by finding 2 from my table, then the another step is to remove this number. That is, we have to remove 3 numbers from the right and to left hand side. Okay, now what is the number left behind? Here the number is 474. Now we have to check which number is just smaller from my table by 474. Now here I am going to see is that कि 7 का cube दे रहा है मुझे 343 and 8 का cube दे रहा है 512. Then 512 is greater than the given number. So 343 and whose cube is 343? 7. So I have taken 7 as my answer. Now 78 is that number whose cube give me this number. If you want to check then this number whether I am saying the word is right or wrong. Okay friend, let's see. I have taken out 78 as my answer. Now 78 into 78 into 78 and here it is 474552. You see the friend, this technique really makes you to find the cube root or perfect cube of any given number in your question paper just within a 3 second or 4 second only. Now just we are again taking an example and I'm going to see how can I calculate the perfect cube of that number in a very faster, in a very quicker way. If I have taken 74088, if I have taken 74088, friends, see, this is my given number and I have to calculate the cube of this number. Now my process is what? Unit place. Here unit place is 8. Okay? Here unit place is 8 and from my table whose unit place gives me 8? 2. So I have written 2 over here, and when I write 2, I have to remove this number. Now what is left? 74. Now again check which number is just smaller than 74. Just smaller than 74. Now here it is 64. So whose cube is 64? 4. Now I have to write 4 over here. This is the perfect cube of this number. Again, if you want to check, now friend, let's see whether what I have did is right or wrong. Let's see friend, 42 into 42 into 42. Let's see friends, 74088. This is the given number. So I hope if you apply this method for calculating the cube root, then you obviously get the cube, or that is perfect cube of any number in a very faster and a very quicker way. The most important thing is that you have to learn this table, or you have to make imprint this table in your mind. When you have to calculate, then there is no required to write this table. This table is mainly imprinted in your mind only. Okay, now you can just visualize the question and you can just answer the question in a very faster and a very quicker way. Okay, now again, if I want to take another example, if I am going to take 46656, let's see friend, 46656. If this is the given number. Now I have to calculate whose perfect cube is this number. Now what is the technique? 6. Where I got to 6? 6 के cube में मुझे मिलेगा 6. I wrote 6 over here. Now after writing 6, I remove last 3 number, that is 656. Now what is left? 46. Now again I calculating the number. Again I viewing this table in my mind. My perfect cube gives the just below the 46. Now I am viewing that key 27 is the number. So whose cube is 27? 3 ka cube. Now I have to write 3 over here. Friend, this is the perfect cube of this number. Again, if you want to check, just check this number. I wrote 36. Now 36 multiplied by 36 multiplied by 36. Let's see friend, 46656. This is your required answer. So I hope this will definitely help you to solve your question in a very quicker and in a very faster way. Thanks.